Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to increase Siri volume on iPhone. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To increase Siri volume on your iPhone, all you have to do is to ask Siri. In order to do that, just say, "Hey Siri, speak louder," or "Hey Siri, speak quieter," in order to change the volume for your Siri. You can also press the volume button on the left-hand side of the screen in order to change the volume, but remember that you'll need to do so while Siri is speaking with you. That is how you'll be able to increase Siri's volume on iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.